here. Do you see him? He's giving us all shade. It's pretty cool, huh? Oh my goodness, you got Jimmy on your t-shirt. How did Mickey Mouse get in there?
You like it? You like it?
Do you have a friend named...
Hi, how are you?
Do you have a friend named Fern?
Fern? No. That's like a different style of tree. What's your name?
Jen.
Jen, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
It's nice to meet you too.
My name's Douglas.
Where are you from? Oh, where am I from? I'm from Chicago.
Chicago! Oh, that's cool! So what do you like to do in Chicago? I'm from Vermont. In the Green Mountain state of Vermont.
Gotcha.
Yeah, what do you like to do in Chicago?
Nothing.
Nothing. I kind of like Vermont. That's why I came here to Disney Springs. Yeah, do you see all the trees?
I said you like to
Did you see all the trees?
We're having a hard...
Jen, who's this with you? She seems like she's talking for you. You must pay her a lot.
She talks funny
So-
a lot, yeah.
Yeah.
Who's this guy over here with the tree on his t-shirt? I like that you're representing.
That's Steve.
It's Steve. Hi, Steve.
Hi.
We're from
Steve.
New York. We're from New York.
Steve, are you from Chicago too?
No,
You're
New
not.
York. New York.
From where?
New
New
York.
York. What happened to Old York? Why is it gonna be new?
I don't know.
Is he like, so if you've been from New York, what happened to Old York? I gotta know. You gotta tell me.
What happened? Well, I'm sorry.
I said, what happened to Old York?
What happened to
Old York. Old York. Ah, we get it now. It took us a minute.
It's hanging out. Old York is hanging out with
All right.
Old Jersey.
So,
What's that?
Old York is hanging out with Old Jersey.
there you go.
Sounds like
That
a
was-
different street.
that was
the home.
that was good.
Oh, okay.
That was good.
Let's go. What are y'all doing today?
Just shopping.
Just shopping. Oh, you got your Christmas list.
Yes,
Did you check
exactly.
it twice?
We're going down. We did. We checked it 3 times.
3 times?
That's why we have a lot of bags and more to do.
Wow, you
And
must...
we're doing the Christmas tree stroll.
Who's your favorite?
So,
Who's your favorite tree?
What a mansion. What a mansion.
No.
No.
You are our favorite tree. Thank you, Fern.
I like him.
Thank you.
I like him. Can I have a hug?
I apologize for them. Oh, you want a hug? There you go. All right. I apologize for them. We had lunch at Art Smith's homecoming, so
That's okay. That's okay. I have a family tree too. I totally understand.
yeah, exactly.
You should beware of dogs.
I should be what?
Beware of dogs.
I know, they write in cursive. Yeah, they write in cursive. Yeah, we've had these conversations up in Vermont before with the dogs up there. Yeah.
It was nice meeting you.
It was nice to meet
All right.
you.
Merry
Yeah, can I get a hug? I need a hug from you.
Merry
too.
Christmas.
I need a hug. That's like a weird, awkward hug that you don't want to hug.
That's a side
Well, you
hug.
need actually a real hug. I want a real hug.
Real hug. A real hug.
Jen, we're going to do this in
A real
slow
hug.
motion. Jen, hold on, Jen.
Hold on.
Back up, Jen.
Back up.
Okay, Jen. You keep going.
Keep going. No, back up. No,
No, it will be. Trust me, Jen.
Okay, I'll trust you.
Jen, do you know what slow motion is?
Yes.
Okay, I need you to walk in slow motion. And you're gonna slow motion, not yet, when I say action. Okay, not yet, well, this has to be the build-up, okay? So I'm gonna move to you in slow motion, and we're all gonna go, ah, at the end, okay? Let's practice. You guys
Slow.
can say ah. Are
Ah.
you ready, Jen? Alright,
Are you ready?
are you ready? Let's see your slow motion first, though. I wanna see your slow motion.
Slow motion
Slow
run.
motion, Jen. I love you. Okay, back up, Jen. Back up. Jen, you went too fast. A little slower.
Slower. You went too fast.
Yes, slower. Try it again. Go ahead. Okay, back up, Jen. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
Okay. Everybody ready?
Ready.
I need you to clap and cheer for Jen when she hugs me, okay?
Come on, you can do it.
You can do it.
Okay, here we go. Action. Action.
Yay! Oh, yay! Oh, she changed my life, that's for sure.
It's like a Christmas card. We should get a Christmas card. Here, come take a picture of me.
Picture, Christmas card picture.
You're gonna make me sappy.
Thanks, Fern. That was great.
Nice to meet all of you. Have a great time in New York.
Bye.